Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. Okay, so in week 8, we're going to have a couple of things that we're going to be doing. So I've broken it up into part 1 and part 2. Part 1, as you can see here, we're finishing up Unit 2B. Okay, so in other words, we're finishing up chapter 1. So I've set up a practice quiz for you here so that you can go in and practice it as many times as you want, just again to kind of get the feel for what the quiz is going to be like. But again, it's in Connect. So I've given you multiple attempts. And then the actual quiz that's going to be marked is due on October 27th at midnight or 1 minute before. Okay. And that I haven't made available yet, but it will be made available when we get closer to the time. Okay. And then for part 2 for week 8, we're just finishing up again, we're finishing up the last part of chapter 1, and it's called the accounting equation. And I've alluded to that before. And it talks about the balance sheet items, okay? So assets on one side, on the left-hand side, and then we've got liabilities and equity on the right-hand side. And the accounting equation refers to where total assets equals total liabilities and equity, or if you're trying to figure out what your equity number is, assets minus liabilities gives you equity. So I'm going to be creating a video going through the PowerPoints, and then I have assigned the activity, the Smart Book, through Connect to help you familiarize yourself with that part of the chapter. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, everyone.